Auntie Titi's thoughts on this unit. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another review. Today's wig that I'm reviewing today is this gorgeous unit that I have on my head today. This unit is by Freetress. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 3 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go. Now that you've watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about the sponsors for the unit. This unit was sent over to me by Wig Types to review for you guys. So thank you, Wig Types, for sending over this unit to review for my audience. Now that we have got that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about this unit. This unit is FreeTress equals Julia. I have Julia in the color FF Cream. Julia is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Julia does have 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Julia comes with a pre-plucked hairline, 5-inch lace part. She has HD undetectable lace, heat safe up to 400 degrees. The lace is air to air. She's naturally pre-plucked, no additional plucking required, durable HD that blends in perfectly and is ready to wear. So now we're going to talk about the specs about Julia. Auntie Titi's thoughts on this unit. I like her. I do. I like her. I really do. I love the color of Julia. She's not hot. She doesn't tangle. She hasn't shed. And she is bigot friendly. Extremely bigot friendly, let me say so myself. The only thing I don't like about Julia is she's wiggy shiny. But with the color, it takes away from that shine, if that makes any sense. And if it's too shiny for you, you could go ahead and use this dry shampoo, which I will leave a link down in the description for you guys. But other than that, I love Julia. I'll say she's about 14 inches, and she did have that little tail thing. I don't know what it's called. I'm calling it a tail, okay? I don't know what it's called. I'm calling it a tail. She had that tail thing. I cut it. I hate it. I hate it. I don't know what's the point of it. I don't know. I don't like it. But Julia reminds me of a nice blowout, a fresh roller set. And that color, baby, just got Auntie Titi feeling herself. Okay, so I really love Julia. I will be giving Julia a 10 because I could see me wearing Julia in the summer. She ain't too hot. I did add some curl stuff, and the curls held up without any hairspray, so I love that. Easy put on and go, hold the curls, and we out the door. So I love Julia for that. She does come with baby hairs, which I use them to hide the lace right here. No, you don't need them if you don't want to use them. But she is a very gorgeous put on and go. She's quick, she's easy. I love her. She ain't hot and no flyaways. Can we get an amen? Okay, so we got to the end of the video. You're a little MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like the video, comment on the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.